Hey riders, welcome to Ridezone Bikes. Today we will got something special. The 2026 Suzuki Hayabusa GSX1300R arrives as a machine that redefines what a legendary hyperbike should be, and in today's video for Ridezone Bikes we dive deep into the ultimate evolution of a name that has dominated the speed world for decades, capturing the imagination of riders who crave outrageous performance, razor-sharp engineering, and the kind of road presence that turns every ride into a statement. The new Hayabusa for 2026 continues the dynasty with improvements across power delivery, aerodynamics, chassis refinement, electronics, and overall visual aggression, creating a package that blends modern superbike intelligence with the raw soul that made the original Busa a global phenomenon. When you fire up the 2026 GSX1300R, the first thing you notice is how smooth yet intimidating the engine note is, coming from the updated 1340 cubic centimeters inline 4 that now breathes better, burns cleaner, and delivers a more immediate torque punch across the mid-range thanks to revised intake funnels, new combustion mapping, a lighter crank assembly, and enhanced cooling efficiency. Suzuki focused heavily on usability, so although the top end remains monstrous, the everyday riding feel is more refined, more controlled, and even more thrilling. The power figures climb slightly for 2026, with output around the 195 plus HP mark and torque comfortably above 155 nanometers, but the bike feels quicker than the numbers suggest due to the improved electronic throttle response, the updated 6-axis Bosch IMU, and the latest iteration of Suzuki Intelligent Ride System, which controls traction, wheelie behavior, power modes, launch control, cornering ABS, and dynamic engine braking in a more fluid, natural way that gives both novice and expert riders a sense of total command even under violent acceleration. The design of the 2026 Hayabusa stays true to the Busa identity while pushing the boundaries of aerodynamic sculpting, with sharper lines, tighter panel gaps, sleeker LED lighting, and wing-inspired air channels that not only make the bike look futuristic but actually reduce drag, increase downforce at high speeds, and stabilize the chassis when pushing deep into triple-digit territory. Suzuki spent significant time refining airflow around the rider to reduce buffeting, making long-distance, high-speed touring surprisingly comfortable for a hyperbike of this magnitude. The muscular tank, the sweeping tail section, the signature Busa curves, and the refreshed dual exhausts combine to create an unmistakable silhouette that communicates power even when standing still, and the new color options including stealth matte black, sapphire electric blue, and metallic fire red give the 2026 model a premium, commanding visual identity. Riding the Hayabusa reveals just how much engineering has gone into balance and stability. The twin-spar aluminum frame is stiff yet forgiving, the fully adjustable KYB suspension has been recalibrated for better high-speed stability and corner entry predictability, and the Brembo Stylema brakes with larger rotor surfaces provide massive stopping force with impressive fade resistance. The result is a hyperbike that no longer feels like just a straight-line missile but a surprisingly agile, composed, and confidence-inspiring machine capable of carving corners with precision. Suzuki has also upgraded the ergonomics by reshaping the seat contours, adjusting the handlebar angle, and optimizing rider triangle geometry, making the new Busa more accessible for long rides and reducing wrist fatigue, while the new TFT Hybrid Dash displays essential information in a bright, easy-to-read layout that merges analog character with digital clarity. On the technology front, the 2026 GSX1300R introduces advanced cruise control, improved hill hold assist, adaptive quick-shifter refinement, and a more intuitive smartphone-connected interface that supports navigation overlays, ride analytics, and system customization directly from Suzuki's updated mobile app. Small details like the redesigned switchgear, backlit buttons, and improved traction mode tactile feedback play a huge role in making the bike feel premium and deeply thought out. When it comes to performance, the bike's acceleration remains absolutely ferocious, launching from 0 to 100 km/h in under 3 seconds depending on conditions, while the top speed retains its electronically limited nature, though real-world performance now feels even more thrilling due to stronger pull in the mid-range and smoother transitions through the rev band. The clutch and gearbox refinement ensures cleaner gear engagement even at high RPM, and the revised aerodynamics keep the front planted, giving riders more confidence to use the available power. One of the unique selling points of the 2026 Hayabusa is how it merges heritage with innovation. It still carries the DNA of the world-famous speed champion, but it now rides like a thoroughly modern sport touring hyperbike that can handle daily commutes, long journeys, and spirited weekend rides with equal ease. Another standout characteristic is durability and reliability. Suzuki has reinforced internal engine components, improved heat dissipation, and used higher-grade materials in critical areas to make the bike more robust for long-term ownership, something that has always made the Hayabusa community extremely loyal. Premium features like the refined slipper clutch, advanced traction matrix, variable engine braking, high-performance tires, and optimized weight distribution all come together to offer a machine that not only satisfies adrenaline seekers but also caters to riders who appreciate engineering elegance. The 2026 Hayabusa GSX1300R positions itself in the premium superbike and hyperbike market with an expected price range of $19,999 to $21,999 depending on region, making it competitive and justified given its power, prestige, and engineering depth. Suzuki ensures that owning a Busa remains aspirational yet attainable, providing unparalleled value in performance per dollar. Beyond the numbers and features, the emotional appeal of the Hayabusa is one of its greatest strengths. Few motorcycles have a legacy as rich, a community as passionate, or a character as instantly recognizable. The 2026 version pays homage to everything that made the original a legend while refining every aspect to meet modern standards of performance, reliability, comfort, and technology. Whether you are riding it on the open highway, cruising through city streets, or unleashing its power on a private track, the new Hayabusa delivers an experience that is simultaneously smooth and savage, stable yet explosive, refined yet wild, making it a machine that stands tall and unmatched in the hyperbike category. It remains the dream bike of many riders worldwide, and with this new 2026 update, Suzuki proves once again that the Hayabusa is not just a motorcycle, it is a cultural symbol, a mechanical masterpiece, and a testament to what happens when engineering passion meets rider obsession, ensuring that the Busa legacy continues stronger than ever for the next generation of thrill seekers.